short update counting on my losses from last night. Last night it was not the coldest we had here, but the coldest for these seedlings. Tonight it will be even colder. Maybe I will get the frost. Last night we had damage on the banana leaves, so it did approach 0, but no frost. Just a few kilometers from here there was snow, but we didn't get any snow here. So this is okay. The two Ademoyas are okay, they just dropped the leaves. The rest of the Annona seedlings, you see, I've cut back the dead parts. This is damage from too much heating. These were the closest to the heater, and this is why they ended up like this. I didn't have time, I was running all the time. I got home at about 9 or 8:30. And I didn't have time to think. I should have done this, exactly this, from last night, but stupid me. I forgot that I had an empty box and I got all that damage, but nevertheless, they are still alive. I hope that this will fix things. Here, we didn't get any losses, just a bit of damage from the lack of humidity on the avocados. The heater, the problem was the heater. I will fill up the aquarium to the top so they have more moisture. It wasn't so, you know, because I'm working all the time, I'm working 16 hours per day for the last month. So the soil in these pots was bone dry. I watered everything. We didn't lose any of this really rare stuff here. Okay. Also, Salzmani didn't have any problems. So let's now take a look at the plants my friends gave me yesterday. Before the plants, we will take a short look at these germinated seeds. You see, we have roots. They are in sphagnum moss. We will see what we have here. Okay, first we have Mangifera gaesia. I don't think it's going to make it. You see, I don't like the color of that tip, and also the root is kind of strange. I don't have experience with this species. I'm guessing it's not gonna make it, but we will plant it and we will see. Our Theobroma cacao seeds, they definitely overstayed in the sphagnum moss. They developed a lot of tiny roots that it is very difficult to untangle. So I will plant them with a bit of sphagnum moss. Is not so bad of an idea instead of untangling all of this. Okay, so all of our 6 Theobroma cacao are now here. Inside this box we have also Theobroma bicolor and the Capuasu, so 3 species of cacao. The rest of these are some banana species, some Garcinias. So this is full. It's done. This one, I will probably put a bag on it because I don't have a box to put it inside. Our germinated durian looks okay. Yeah. What I will do with this, because I'm running out of space, I'm gonna plant it in here and bag the whole thing. I'm gonna make a hole here on the side and bag it. So this is a durian a friend gave me yesterday. It died on him because he left it outside, but this is kind of alive, so I'm gonna start cutting back until I found green. If I find green, I will plant the other seed together with this one inside here and bag the whole pot. This was also given to me to try and see if it's still alive and save it. I cut down until I could not find any green, but there is, I don't know, instead of taking it out because I really wanted to have it wrap. I guess I will keep this, but in case it's dead, so that I won't waste all of this space, I'm gonna plant inside here, and I won't forget to place the tags this time. Asimina triloba, 2 varieties of Asimina triloba, and lots of Annona reticulata, different varieties. It's funny how about 2 years ago there was not a single reticulata in Cyprus, from what I know, and now between us 5 friends, we have more than 20 varieties and more than 200 seedlings. This is how fast things grow when you meet up with the proper people. So these are the plants I was gifted yesterday. A bit troubled, but we will do our best to bring them back to health. This is lychee, another lychee, both grown from seed. Here something looks like Syzygium jambos, but it's not. It's actually red. It produces red fruits. We will find exactly what it is a bit later. Here we have some round fruited jackfruit. It is the jackfruit variety that grows its fruits round like balls. We have some key apple and a vanilla. This is an Indonesian variety of jackfruit. Here's a reticulata, different variety, and another white sapote. So, that was it. Thank you for watching, my friends. I will see you on the next one.